So in news today, Trump came out and said he thinks we will have a deal with India, and you got Secretary Bessent also saying they think they are close to a deal with one of the most populous countries, which is apparently India. He didn't want to say a specific country for whatever reason, but he also says they've had substantial talks with Japan as well as South Korea. So it seems like they're talking to all of the most important people, at least for now. Seems like China is not going to bend, so we're kind of ignoring that. If we can get India done, that would be huge. And then Japan would be another major player. And then if the EU kind of signs on to the same deal that India and Japan have kind of come to at this point, that would be amazing. And that would really be the vast majority of the global economy. Obviously, China being the outlier, it really would separate them from the rest of the world if we did get really those three entities, in my opinion. And that would set up the framework for all of these other countries to be able to kind of piggyback off of that potential trade deal. So is this going to happen? I think so. I think it's just a matter of time. Obviously, the waiting game has been quite painful for markets, but if we do get this deal done, that should be quite bullish. And even with the news here today, this came out about 30 minutes before market close. That did prop up markets a little bit. They were starting to fade, but then we ended up holding up relatively flat into the close. So right now, this is some bullish news, and I do think it will happen eventually.